For you to understand the menstrual cycle, first you need to understand the 4 menstrual hormones. Now these menstrual hormones, they have a relationship with each other. By them being 4, you must know where are these hormones produced. We have 2 ovarian hormones. These 2 ovarian hormones are called the estrogen, no progesterone. So estrogen, it is a hormone which prepares the enemy gland. How does it prepare the enemy gland? It removes the thickness in the form of blood clots, whereby in the uterine lining it disintegrates and degenerates. Do you understand? During the process of menstruation, that occurs within day 1 up to day 7 of your menstrual cycle. Keeping a liquor done. The enemy gland even thicker, even glandular and vascular. Now, it's simple, it's structure of ovaries that produces estrogen. It is called a Graafian follicle. Do you understand? This is about the progesterone. Progesterone, it maintains pregnancy by doing what? By causing the endometrium to be even more thicker, even more glandular, even more vascular. The structure with ovary that produces progesterone, the corpus luteum. Now, if you look at the ovarian cycle here, from day 1, you start by having a dot, it is a Graafian follicle, just a small follicle. And other follicles, they produces one, no estrogen, which means as the follicle is cooler, the concentration of estrogen is a journey, they are cool. The smaller the follicle, the smaller the concentration of what? Of estrogen. The bigger the follicle, the bigger the concentration of what? Of estrogen. So, day 1, follicle is in the form of fetus. Day 5, yeah, cool. Day 7, yeah, cool. Now, day 12, since the follicle is one of them all. It is what's in the Graafian follicle. The follicle, it contains the highest concentration of what? Of estrogen. All of them, they are Graafian follicles. But the one they call it is called a matured Graafian follicle, which means since in cool, what about the concentration of estrogen? Now, as far as day 14, during the process, the air and the ovulation. You understand? The ovulation is on day. Now, this is a process whereby our ovaries the best and they release an egg cell. The egg cell ihamba iyohlala lapha fallopian tube. Ihlangane with the haploid sperm cell to form a diploid zygote. Zygote undergoes mitosis to form morula. Morula undergoes mitosis to form placenta. Ihamba embryo within 6